Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can get set up on Smartcharts. It's incredibly easy, very simple, and a fantastic platform if you are a beginner trader. There are a few reasons for this. Obviously, they have AI signals. A lot of the stuff on there is free. And I will just say, guys, this has helped me in my trading journey massively. So without further ado, let's just jump straight into the video. So here we are on the Smartcharts platform, and as you can see, they already have over 5,000 users and they have 27 premium features. To get involved, all we got to do is press start trading, and then from that point, it's going to ask you for a name and an email address. And then you're just going to type a little message to the team on why you want to join the platform, press send message, and you are good to go from there. And once we've confirmed our email, we will have access to our account. After that, you want to obviously link it to your MetaTrader broker, and you will have access to trade directly from this platform. And as you can see here on the right hand side, there are many benefits to using this, right? So they've got AI setups that are coming through pretty much every 10 minutes here on different assets, and that's going to be fantastic when it comes to elevating your trading journey. So let's just walk through the dashboard here. We can see here the first option is learn. So if you're a beginner trader, definitely go here first. You're going to learn everything to do with trading. Very, very simple here. So breakfast breakout, this is going to teach you how to manage breakouts, how to get into trades, when to get into trades, and then there are many other different tutorials here that you can choose from. You've got learn the basics, learn forex, webinars, and many more things as well as that. They're always releasing more tutorials as well, and that is fantastic. And actually, before we go to this other stuff, I do just want to say, in terms of a learning thing for this, there are just many different things you can do on this platform when it comes to elevating your trading experience and really just becoming that professional trader that you want to be. Here we can see the coaching section, and this section is fantastic for finding a coach and then learning to trade directly with a trader that is already profitable. Besides that, we have the live events that you can also use for learning, which is great because they do webinars all of the time here where, yes, you do have these guys coming through, and yes, these are all approved by the CEO, Greg Secker. Yes, he is a professional trader, and he's the one who has made this platform, and honestly, he's done a fantastic job. I've not used a platform like this that is so easy to get into trades, so resourceful when it comes to giving us tools, giving us ideas, giving us market summaries. You can see this tools section. Let's talk about this next. Just a great example of what you can do with trading these days, which is so much better than platforms like TradingView, which is very much noise, right? There's a lot of noise on TradingView. Here, it just tells you what you need to know, right? So we can see the currency strength here, gold doing pretty well, Bitcoin doing pretty well, USD doing pretty well, and then we can see the other ones that are potentially a bit more bearish, and maybe we want to target shorts or puts on those currencies. We've also got a heat map here on the right, but the favorite feature for me here is this price action news panel. So we can actually see here that it's telling us that we're approaching possible support, and we can click on this if we want. It's going to bring up the chart instantly, and we can actually even take a trade from this screen if we want to. That's something that's fantastic, and it's something I don't see a lot of other platforms doing. They just give you the currency or the pairing, and then yeah, you have to work it on your own, right? But we can see here that it's giving updates all of the time. We just saw a new one come through as I'm recording this. We can see that the euro currency is really high sentiment, 80% for long right now. So maybe we would want to take a long on this one. So that would be fantastic. But yeah, that's just one of the features here. We can actually see if we go to the ideas panel, we actually have AI patterns that come through that give us setups for trades. Beautiful stuff here, right? So giving us some broadening wedges here, as you can see, and it shows that these are emerging trades, so you can actually get into them after a certain amount of time as they break out. You can also set alerts with these as well. So if I just click one of these right now, it's actually going to show us the direction that it's looking to get to, okay? And we can actually just say, hey, if we did lose this certain support here, right, the last low, then maybe we want to target a trade down to that support level. So when it comes to setting alerts on this platform, very, very easy. Just go up to the top right-hand side here and then new alert. Fantastic stuff. And we can actually target a level based on that alert. That's something that's fantastic and something that, yeah, I don't see a lot of other platforms doing, just giving you everything just on a plate ready to use. So that's great stuff there. We can save this alert, wait for that to go off if we do lose this certain level. We can also grab this and drag it down to the level we want. Boom. Okay, save that bad boy. And now we're going to get an alert if price crosses this level. And when price crosses this level, maybe we can identify whether we want to take the trade or not. But this is just a few of the features it offers. If you are more of a traditional trader, you prefer your own TA, you head over to the charts section here. This is going to bring up your charts, and yeah, you can draw in any trend lines you want very easily. Okay, so we just press this little button at the top there, select trend line, and then we are good to go. Maybe draw a second trend line here. Okay, we can see we're breaking out on this one, looking pretty good. May even take a long on this. Looks very nice indeed. But what we will say with Smart Charts, very, very easy to draw trend lines, edit your charts, and keep track of your charts as well. One thing I will say that is better than TradingView that these guys offer is you can have so many indicators at once, and it comes at no extra cost. That's something that's fantastic. You can also see many different charts on the screen if we need it as well. Good stuff there. And what we will say as well with this is you can also add indicators very easily. So just as we did with the trend line, we go up to the top right hand side here, we can see oscillators. Maybe we want to throw some MACD in there. Bang, that's in. Very easy, very nice to use. Okay, we can also go into the settings of this MACD and actually see that we can change that to any specific kind of cycles that we want here. And this is going to just be useful for different assets. For example, if you're trading Bitcoin, you're going to want a different setup in terms of MACD than if you were trading, say, Euro USD. It's just different time periods. Bitcoin trades all the time, so you're going to use different moving averages to support that at different lengths. But a little bit more advanced, if you are aware of that, good stuff. Let's move on to the trades section right now. We can see here we are currently in a trade. I just got into this to kind of show you what is good here, and this is actually from an AI signal, and yeah, it's going pretty well so far. We've filled our orders and now we are waiting for the Pumperino. But what we will say here with this is it's very easy to actually get out of the trade if we want to, and we can see here that yeah, everything is just good analytically, right? We can see the entry, the stop loss, the take profit, right? Nothing too crazy in terms of convolution here in this area. Some exchanges or even TradingView will give you way too much information that you don't really need. This just gives you everything that you need. You've got your time frame, all right, and you've got your risk here, and you've got the strategy that you're currently using, which would be one of the AI strategies. But that is going to be it for this video. You've also got a journal here as well, but that's pretty much it for the system here, right? That's pretty much it for Smart Charts. Definitely check them out, especially if you're looking to learn more about trading. These guys give you so much stuff, and these tutorials, as you can see, are from the CEO himself, right? So you've got Greg Secker here actually making these tutorials and teaching you how to trade on his platform, which is fantastic, okay? This just speaks a lot about the project in terms of credibility, in terms of genuinity, in terms of just being a platform that's already good. Having the CEO back that platform publicly like this is fantastic. But that's going to be it for this video. I will see you guys in the next training tutorial. Be sure to subscribe for that. Be sure to like for that. Be sure to leave a comment. Let me know what you're thinking of this platform.